Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn. Today, I'm going to show you something that might change the way videos are created forever.
Oh, wait, I should be very honest with you. What you just saw, that was not real me, but my AI avatar created using Google Omni. Yes, Google has quietly launched an insane new feature called Gemini Omni. Think about it like nano bananas, but for videos. Just like Nano Banana made image creation simple, Gemini Omni lets you create and edit videos using simple prompts. Sounds crazy, right? A few years ago, creating a realistic video like this needed cameras, lighting, editing, voice recording, and sometimes even a full production team. But now, with the tools like Google Omni, AI can understand your text, your image, your voice, and even your video instructions to create realistic video content. So, in this video, we are going to understand what Google Omni is, how it works, why everyone is talking about it, and how it can change the future of content creation, marketing, education, and even personal branding. So, before we move ahead, let me share something very exciting with you all, guys. If you are interested in learning generative AI agents, LLMs, RAG, prompt engineering, and multimodal AI, then you should definitely check out Simplilearn's Applied Generative AI specialization powered by agentic AI and Cloud Code. In this program, you will learn how modern AI applications are actually built using tools like LangChain, Copilot, Azure OpenAI, Hugging Face, OpenAI, DALI, and much more. You will also work on 7+ hands-on industry projects, including AI-powered assistants, RAG-based applications, image generation apps, and business intelligence. And do you know the best part? You will also get a program completion certificate from Microsoft and Simplilearn, along with the exposure to Microsoft masterclasses, Azure AI workflows, and real-world Gen AI application development. So, if you want to build practical skills in generative AI and prepare yourself for the future of AI-powered roles, then do check out the course link given in the description box below and start your generative AI journey with Simplilearn today. Here's a quick quiz question for you. So the question is, do you think AI avatars will replace real video creators in the near future? And your options are option A, yes, completely. Option B, no, never. Option C, only for some types of content, or the option D. It depends upon how creators use it. Comment your answers below, and by the end of this video, you will have a much clearer idea about the answer of this question. Now that you have already seen what an AI avatar can look like, let's understand what Google Omni actually is. So now let's see how you can actually use Gemini Omni. For this, go to your default web browser and type Gemini and visit its official website. So this is how the interface of Google Gemini looks like. So one of the important thing is you cannot access the free version of Gemini to access Omni, the new feature of Google. So for this, you need to have a pro plan. Or in case, if you have the Geo SIM, then you can also access it for free in your mobile phones and even in your laptops. So choose any way to access this feature. I have already upgraded the plan and I'm using the pro version of this. So now Omni allows us to create our own AI avatar. And just to create it, you need to visit to the settings. Here you will find the option called F. You can click on this and you can follow the instructions being presented on the screen. It will ask you to show your different sides of the face. It will ask you to repeat some numbers so that it can take your voice also. So follow the steps being shown on the screen. Then your avatar will be created in seconds. I've already created my avatar using this step. So I can easily click on use avatar. So my avatar is being uploaded here. Now there are two ways to create videos. See, once we'll click on the plus icon, we can upload our file and here we can create the videos. So right now I'm creating my avatar to create a video. So I can give any prompt. Like I have given the prompt like, here we are discussing about the new feature of Google called, and once we'll press enter, in few minutes our video will be ready. So let's wait. It will take few minutes and our video will be all set. No need for recording rooms, no need for team, nothing, just a simple prompt. You can even access this app through mobile phones, but right now I am showing you its features using text. Same steps you need to follow if you are using it on phone. Just wait for a few minutes and trust me, it's worth waiting. So now our wait is over and our video is on our screen.
Today, we're diving into the brand new feature of Google. It is called Google Omni, a game changer for search. It connects information across various platforms seamlessly. This is insane. Just a simple prompt and the video is all set. Right now, we can create 3 videos per day and up to 10 seconds. Plus, you can make edits as per your requirement. If you want to change anything, you can simply write the prompt here and the changes will be done accordingly. And from here, you can easily download your video, you can share and make the changes. Also, we have a feature to directly import the template and make the edits there. So once we'll click on the plus icon, here you will see the option of create video. And here you can import any template, give the prompt as per your requirement, and the video will be generated in seconds, just like we saw right now. Also, this feature is being now available with Google Flow also. So let me show you this. Just go on the official website of Google Flow. See, the page itself shows introducing the new feature of Gemini, which is Omni. So click on this new project. And here the important thing is we need to go to the agent mode. Here also you can create your avatar, and using your avatar you can create different videos. But right now I'm showing you how to create an ad. So here I'm planning to create an advertisement where a girl is advertising Nike shoes. So for this, we need to import 2 videos, one of a girl and one of a Nike shoe. So I have imported both the files here. This will take few seconds, and make sure you need to do all this work in agent mode. So now we have both the photos up. Now you need to do nothing. Just give the prompt what you want the girl to say. Write it here in simple plain English, and in few seconds your ad will be ready. So follow along. Create a UGC video. So once we'll press @ symbol, we'll be getting all the images. So we need to import this girl image. We'll click on add to prompt. So we'll simply write create a UGC video where this girl is holding shoes, right? So we need to import the image of shoes. Just import by pressing @ symbol and directly looking into the lens and saying, so in double quotes, I have copied the dialogue she will say. So this is a 10-second dialogue and we'll press enter. Okay, before pressing enter, go to settings and just check whatever you want this video to look like. I want this video in 9:16 ratio, which is a shorts format video, and 2x means 2 videos will be generated, but we have limited credits, right? That's why we'll press 1x, only 1 video will be created. And here, look at this, Omni Flash. So it is creating this video using this feature. So click on save. And why we are using agent mode here is, once you will start working with agent, you need not repeat the things. You can directly open the agent and make the edits as per your requirement. You need not start with the starting or beginning point. You can pick up in the middle itself, where you left your conversation. So after making sure all the settings are as per your requirement, press enter. So the magic is ongoing. In few seconds, we'll be having an amazing ad. Just prompt, nothing else. Just a laptop, you sitting and giving the proper prompt. Another important feature of using agent is it will ask you before creating any video as per your requirement. So it is asking us, it will cost you around 15 credits. Are you ready for this? So we'll give yes, approve. So this is another insane feature and useful feature for us. So the video is under process. Here you can pick any of your old conversation. You can start conversation in the middle, make the changes required. You need not start from the beginning.
Every step is a choice. To move faster, to go beyond yesterday. With Nike, I don't follow limits. I run past them.
Our video is ready and this is so beautiful. Isn't this insane? Just prompt and the video is ready. And here you can create a 10-second video, which I have told you earlier, in both the sites, whether it is Google Flow or Gemini. So this is how you can create any video as per your requirement. You can directly import the template or you can use your avatar. In both the cases, it will work flawlessly. Now, some people may think this is just a fun AI feature, but it is much bigger than that. Because video is one of the most powerful formats of the internet right now, right? People watch videos to learn, buy products, understand brands, follow creators, and make decisions. So, if AI can make video creation faster, cheaper, and easier, then it can completely change how creators and companies produce content.
Earlier you needed technical editing skills, now you need clear ideas, good storytelling, and the ability to explain what you want from AI. That's a big shift. But here's one important thing. AI avatars are not here to remove creators. They are here to help creators produce faster. Your idea still matters. Your script still matters. Your storytelling still matters. AI can create the avatar, but it cannot replace your originality, your point of view, and your connection with the audience. So instead of thinking, will AI replace me? The better question is, how can I use AI to create better content faster? So to quickly summarize, Google Omni is an AI system that can understand different types of input like text, image, audio, and video, and even help create realistic video experiences. It can be used for AI avatars, video generation, content creation, education, marketing, and business communication. And what you just saw is the beginning of this video was just one small example of what this technology can actually do. Today, it was just an AI avatar. Tomorrow, it can be full video, cinematic ads, tutorials, learning experiences, and digital creators built from a single idea. So, the question is no longer can AI create videos, but the real question is what will you create with AI? If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Simplilearn for more such videos on AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.